Hi, in this video I will show you how you can change keyboard language on POCO F7. So first you have to get keyboard on your screen. So do it by whatever, is it browser or settings, whatever. Just you want to have keyboard on your screen like that. So now click on this settings icon over here, and here is the languages. And now click add keyboard, and here you can choose whatever language that you want. So let's take some I don't know, Arabic one, because this is the good example. And here you can click done. And now if you are in the keyboard, you can click this globe icon over here, and now language is different, as you can see. And if I want to go back to my language, I can click globe again. That's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.